Hi there guys, I'm Paolo from Mantis Performance, and here we've got a customer's GT550. He restored it, very nice bike, but he's had problems with obviously the dreaded points. He brought it in to us, we had a go, and as anyone's familiar with it, trying to set these points up, it's quite an art. It's not very accurate, it's obviously 70s technology. So we've come up with an electronic ignition system, fully programmable, nicely fitted in a kit. So yeah, I'll talk you through what's involved in it. So here we have the points. So as you can see, there is a lot of goings on in there to adjust them and what have you. So this is how we received it, and as you can see, there's a mismatch of coils. It's a bit of dodgy wiring. So yeah, we're going to replace all this lot as well. On the point system, and just drag it out. The grommet might come with it. Just drag it out gently. It is a bit fiddly. There you go. And that's it. And here we have the old mismatched coils, yeah, looking a bit second hand. So here we have the new coils mounted. They go straight onto the original mounting bracket, so we supply these with the kit. Right, so now we've got the coils fitted. So here we have the new backplate and pickup and rotor manufactured by us that will bolt straight on. So here's the new rotor and pickup coil fitted. As you see, it's like really neat, a lot less moving parts, so 100% reliability. So here's the ignition unit in its place. As you can see, it's nicely tucked behind the airbox and clear of any water or weather or anything. So here's the wiring loom we've manufactured. So this will go straight onto the bike. There's no modification to the loom on the bike. Just put it on, ready to go. So here's the loom fitted now, as you can see, running along the frame there up to the coils. So this is all custom made and just plugged straight into the original loom. So now we've got the bike on the dyno, everything's fitted. We've put in the right map for a standard bike on the ignition. So now we're going to just check everything's okay and run it up on the dyno. Okay, so here's the final power on of the GT that we've just fitted the ignition to. So we're getting good strong power, 42 horsepower, a nice torque curve. So she's running really well, so job well done.